autumn. What a beautiful time of year. We're having a lot of rain. It's stopped raining now. And we was going to have a camp in here. But rain does keep coming down pretty heavy. So what we're going to do, just trying to walk through this wood. Angus is absolutely obsessed with squirrels. And he'll get one day. But until he does, you know what I mean, I'll put it in a stew. But we'll see what happens. Anyway, I've gone to that. Gillian Smith sent it me up, also with one of the spoons that she makes. It is absolutely red hot. This is rabbit fur. I'm sweating like out in this hat, but it's a good hat, So anyway, thanks Gillian. I'll be using the spoon when I make my next stew, which might be in a couple of hours. So I'm going to get on with things, get on with walk. Come on. I love that rain mist as it's out in distance. And the best thing about the rain, you don't get many folk about. Even the squirrels are in the dray. Look at that. Yeah. Well, it's Saturday, 2nd of November, so I've missed Samhain by a day. But it's halfway between Halloween and bonfire night, and with it being a Saturday, a lot of these folks now will be having the bonfires. It's about 7:30, so I'm going to go out into the field and let that slowly boil and see if anyone put on a good firework display. Well, morning. Well, it was quite a warm night really for November, and it all went a bit quiet after midnight. So I was just watching them fires burn out. Today I'm just chilling out today. I've got stew back on. I might go for a walk later. But I don't think I'll be doing much filming today. I'm just going to finish that stew off, me and Angus, and basically get on with things. Well, I do think the handle held out pretty well for first battening. I mean, that wood, I mean, it's pretty sturdy wood. I mean, that was bone dry as well, and you know, I mean, it did take some grain through. But anyway, I'm going to add to my stew some coconut, raisins, and a few almonds out of trail mix. This is a spoon that Gillian sent me up. I'm going to try that. I forgot all about that last night. I had it in covering my rucksack. So I'm going to give that a bash and just chill out. Well, into stew, I'm going to add one of these onion mash pots. Give it a good stir. Get it back on fire for a minute or two. Well, you can't beat a bit of lamb on a Sunday dinner. Even he's licking that serving bowl out. It's a bit hot for him yet, there is. Well, I've been making some walking stick come blowpipe things for a couple of years now, and the most expensive thing that I've come across that you need now is these. I mean, I got this off a Cheshire Market, 75 pence, just proper walking stick. The thing here, this. I mean, on there I've never tried that TheraBand for catapult, so I might try some of that on it. Other than that, I'm going to see how far, like a 10 metre target on that bottle. Well, I've got Big John coming down from Big John's Bushcraft. He only lives at the other end of town, so he's coming down for the night. So what I've done, put a tin of stewed steak in which stew, and I'll add another one of them mash pots to thicken it up. That's if he wants any like it, but we'll see how it goes. I don't know what time he's expected, but I know Angus will put in a performance. Well, I'm joined by Big John. Big John's Bushcraft. He has been down here about an hour, mind. But I don't know whether he's admiring me pumpkin or just thinks I'm completely off my head. But I'm gonna have some stew. Are you gonna try some of my stew, John?
Definitely have a bit. Keep me warm.
Right, we'll get it together. Well, this will be the third top up on stew. Stewing steak. I've added some more peas. Steak and kidney, John.
Yeah,
some steak and kidney. And now we've got some bread. Bit hot for Angus yet. With some bread. That is sand. Well, over the last 3 days I've had my fill of stew, so Angus, he can't get enough on it. He's finishing the rest off. I'm going to get a hot drink on. John's moving his set into the lodge. Come on. Good morning. Well, we had it quite late last night, me and John. Sat there talking. Fighting about 2:30, 3 o'clock. Started raining, it hasn't stopped since. Anyway, when John come down, he bought us some stuff. Yeah, you won't believe some of the stuff that he's bought us. I'll show you when I get up. Anyway, it's raining. Go take dog out. Well, John come down yesterday. There he is. There, John. We didn't but talk right fire till about 2:30, 3 o'clock this morning. Then it started raining and it hasn't stopped since. Anyway, John's bought me some presents down. You don't believe this. Come down. Yeah. He bought me one of his leather patches that he makes. For Alfie, he's bought a striker and a piece of flint. Some leather. He's seen that I'm doing some of my shed work. He's bought me a lovely piece of leather down, and look at this, he's bought me another bone. Very little that wants doing to it. Just that little bit of rust there. Nearly brand new. Anyway. Thanks a lot, John. We're packing up now. We're going to see if we can get, well, I know we'll get some cramp balls, but it's raining, so I don't know whether we'll go down to Rain Valley and get some. Well, apart from that, I had a brilliant night's sleep in there. And we're packing up. Well, I've enjoyed Big John's company coming down. So I'm spending a lot of time down here on my own. Come down, we had a right good natter till early hours. It's only rain stop play, wasn't it, really?
Yeah.
And when it's come down and it hasn't stopped since. It's only, see, Bod's coming.
Yeah.
It's only 10:15, but we're going to get off. We're going to take him down where he can get these fat balls, cramp balls from, and it's a good little laser copies as well. But anyway, we're all packed up. Everything's in order. I'm burning wood out. I don't bring much wood down here now, we're not being at work, so I'm burning wood out in bow top, so I'm going to make a netted bed in there. So anyway, time's going on, it's still raining. We're going to have a little walk. So, till next time, bye.
Yeah.
Oh, another thing, with all these things that John's brought down, I mean, he's brought me that knife, he's brought me a striker and a flint for Alfie, brilliant piece of leather, a leather pouch. The only thing that I had down here is my blowpipe. So I'm trading a blowpipe for these things. I don't like, like not taking things for them. So anyway, we're going off again. Bye.
Yeah.
Well, I'm down collecting cramp balls with John, and he not have a go at rope swing. Anyway, we'll get on with things. Well, the ground is just sodden. We've just been to get some cramp balls. Just non-stop rain.